RZLV stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Rezolve AI going next. Market is opening in like 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to show you my exact play. Having done well over 44,000 videos myself over 5 years time period, I've seen everything that's out there and tested everything, and it's kind of accumulated to this point of what's working for me and what's not. Since the price finally gave me a double break, this price should not be going anything lower than 283, because if it does, that is going to be recorded as a -1 hour. And Rezolve AI, I mean, also like on this lower time frame, look, this is just a proof of me calling it out beforehand. Oh, wrong video, my bad. Here it is. Yeah, it was great. It was 206. I was aiming for like 250 something ish. Well, that was great. And then I'm looking for a very simple squeeze here as well. Quick one. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.